I'm Ashley LeGrand and I study Manufacturing Engineering Technology with CAD.
I am Ryan Haywood. I graduated back in 2018 with a Manufacturing Engineering and Technology Associate's degree with CAD option.
My name is Todd Flessner and I'm the Manufacturing Engineering Technology instructor.
The program itself, I would say that I really like working on the machines. That was my favorite part from starting from high school, is working on the machines, making the parts, and then accomplishing what the final part was.
Some skills that students have are machine-based, CAD/CAM based. There's some quality technology in there that they have to get to work right away.
What my degree primarily focused on was the manufacturing side of how did that item sitting on your desk right now, how did that get made? How was that plastic made? How was that metal annealed? How was that thing shaped?
DACC manufacturing program is typical 60 credit hours, so it is fairly relaxed but detail oriented. Students have to be able to finish the projects in a timely manner, but still, have a good time doing it.
The teachers I've had since high school have really helped. They encouraged me to actually work forward and not stop whenever things got hard on working on the parts. There were plenty of times where I didn't want to keep working on the parts.
DACC manufacturing has the capability of helping people get to their goals, whether it be personal goals or financial goals or educational goals. There's 2+2 programs that allow students to go to other schools for their bachelor's degree, master's degree, and PhD degree. Whatever they want to do, there's always a stair-step program to get to the next level.